93, the power to add, reclassify, add, or remove to the board the list of dangerous drugs. Kung nakasama yung listed dun sa schedules, I think we also delegated the power to you to remove from the list, not from the treaty. You're not removing from the treaty. You're removing from the list. From the list that we annexed in our law to be treated as dangerous drugs. Ganun po sana, kasi otherwise, paulit-ulit yung phrase na reclassify, add, or remove. Paulit-ulit as a power given to the board. So, I don't know if you can pursue that kind of a reasoning. We are not asking you to amend the treaty, which you cannot do. Yes. But we incorporated the listing, the schedules in the treaties are now defined as dangerous drugs. Hindi sila, linistan na yun sila. No, they're part of the law. So, Congress may amend that list, and that's not tantamount to amending the treaty because we made them part of the act. But since Section 93, we delegated to you the power to reclassify, add, or remove from those lists attached as annex, therefore you have that power. That's how I understand now how this will be interpreted. Do not worry, you are not amending the treaty. You're amending the act. The list of dangerous drugs mentioned in the act.
Yes, Your Honor. We perfectly understand your explanation, and we will look into the process of doing this.
Kasi I think a couple of years ago, I think sa budget hearing, I also brought this to your attention. Naawa ko dun sa mga in good faith bumibili sa available sa market in other countries na CBD, which is a cannabis extract, di ba? Nasa listing yun. In good faith, bumibili doon kasi available sa market yun, dinadala rito. And then I think I asked kung ilan ang incidents na may nahuhuli. So I think noon meron, but up to now, may nahuhuli pa ba?
Meron pa rin daw.
Meron pa rin nga, kaya na medyo unfair sa kanila, although they're just implementing the law. But the point is, our law, ayaw nga natin itaga sa bato yun eh. Kaya that's why nandun yung flexibility. So, it's either kasi sobrang lalim ng understanding ninyo sa cannabis extracts that you know something that the other countries, the Western European countries do not know, or they know something that you do not know. Or even though you know, your interpretation of the law is probably mistaken. Because ano yung flexibility? If you look at the law, ang purpose ng mga paulit-ulit na nilalagay yung phrases na yun is for flexibility. Kasi kung nagbabago science moves, our knowledge based on science also changes. I don't know, Mr. Chairman.
There will be
okay, pero
acting on it accordingly, Your Honor.
But there's a procedure. So yung mga gusto rin look at the procedure. I mean, that's a petition, whatever. So gawin din po natin yun. So, PIDEA, being the implementing arm of the DDP as well as the law enforcer of our anti-drugs laws. Yun ang pagkaintindi ko. Actually, pagkaintindi ko, inalis sa PNP. Bibigay talaga sa PIDEA. What is now the current, your current level is 3,299 personnel, manpower. Have you reached your ideal level as far as manpower is concerned? Nung sinusulat namin yung batas na ang in-envision ng policymaker ibigay sa PIDEA lahat ng law enforcement on anti-illegal drugs.
Well, we are far from our ideal personal strength, Your Honor. Right now, yung mga tauhan natin sa PIDEA hanggang provincial level lang. Wala pa sa municipal level. So kung i-build up natin yung up to the municipal level, I think the ideal, this is the ideal strength. We should have 19,704 personnel, Your Honor. So minus 3,000.
Yes.
So we
Makiling
still need around
Adam
15,000
Maki,
personnel,
Ali
Your
Piang
Honor.
Kaliman,
Okay, kasi ang
Vilma
PDEA is
Panagaw,
actually your PNP
Maricel
against
Ore,
illegal drugs. Ganun siya, lumalabas.
Esor
So,
Aina,
Opo,
Sungalia,
so... Ang problema,
White,
Mr. Chairman, at nabuti na lang ang chairman natin is also former chief of PNP. Hindi yata binibitawan ng PNP yung concern
Derek
or
Grace Binton, Leonidas,
involvement nila sa anti-illegal
Fatima
drug
Karim,
operations because
Kalay,
we still have the PIDEC.
Arnel,
Your Honor,
Roman
actually,
Sahibul,
by operation of law,
Arnel Corpus,
dapat binitawan talaga ng
Jeremiah
PNP yan.
Gusero,
But then,
Manghiling,
PDEA mismo ang humingi ng suporta from PNP. That's why yung
yan po ang aming majority floor leader ngayon.
that is why PNP is always involved in the anti-drug operations because it is known fact really that hindi kakayanin ng PDEA to conduct nationwide anti-drug operations.
Pero ganito ba na yung vision natin pag ma-achieve na let us say ng PNP
Idol natin,
ideal
yan,
strength
po, idol
nila,
natin,
lagyan na
yan
lang
po.
natin around
Tuntunay na biker yan.
2,000 strong.
Yan po,
Ang expectation
ang,
natin, of course, mas
number
budgetary
one,
support. Ang expectation natin,
physical
all
din, jogging,
drug,
bisikleta,
anti-illegal,
yan po, JBLs ito.
yes,
Po, idol
all
natin yan po.
anti-illegal drug law enforcement would
Ito
be
po.
PIDEA,
Idol din natin to.
exclusively PIDEA now.
Ito po
Yes,
si
Your Honor,
That's the
ideally,
plan.
ideally. But remember,
yan po si Win, yan po
if
ang
you will look back
Einstein
in our
ng
history,
Senado. Ayan po, yan po sila.
prior to the assumption of President Duterte 2016, the level of drug problem in the Philippines was so high. And if you can just
Ayan
imagine,
po ang professor
PDEA,
namin.
we adopted a whole of nation approach.
Ito,
Andyan ang
napakabait
PDEA,
din ito.
which is
Talagang
3,000
walang sawang
plus,
nagtuturo
or
sa amin.
2,000 pa at the time, 2,000 plus.
Pwede kong sabihin,
Tapos, pag
mentor ko
PNP,
ito.
during my time, we were about
Senator
almost 200,000,
Poco
198,000. Plus
Junior.
NBI,
Poco.
plus Bureau of Customs and other
Napakagaling na
enforcement agencies.
senador.
Nagtutulong-tulungan yan sa ating war on drugs. Plus the local government units from barangay to the municipal level,
Ito
to the
po,
provincial level.
pinakamatapang
Nagtutulungan
na
yan lahat, pati mga barangay tanod. And still,
Senador.
look, anong nangyari sa ating war on drugs? Hanggang ngayon, nandiyan pa rin yung problema sa droga. Dahil nga, hindi kinaya the magnanimity. How do you call that? Anong term yan?
Magnitude.
Magnitude. Magnanimity. The magnitude of the problem itself, napakabigat po. Kaya,
Rodel
itong
Tesiorma.
19,000 ideal,
Absa
ay pwede siguro
Ampatuan,
ito kung
Monica Abriento,
still,
Imelda Ami Lico, Carino.
eventually, later on,
Edita
masusunod na ng
Asidro.
PDEA.